ngathi kuthi bebaphethe ematshela amakhulu kanganani
the religious leaders.
labaholi benkolo
And they were ready to stone her.
bebalungele ukuthi vele bafuna kumgqoba
It's so heavy.
liyasinza ke leli
And I want to believe it were big rocks, heavy, because they were supposed to hit to kill.
ngiyathemba futhi beke sinza ngoba bekumele bashayile kubulala ngawo
To hit to kill.
bekumele bashayile ukuthi afe
For being caught in a sinful act.
ukuthi ubanjwe entasono
An act of violence.
wentiwa sento seludlame
Now Jesus comes and says,
uyafika ke Jesu uthi
Jesus comes and says,
yafika Jesu uthi
if you
nangabe wena
don't have any,
ude
cast the first stone.
qala ke ujikjele litshe lekuqala
Yajika lendzaba.
then the story changed now
Yasuka kulomfati.
it moved from the woman
Yaya kulaba labaqabanga ukuthi bona bathi kakhulu.
and turned to the ones that thought they know much
Self-righteous.
batende balunga ngekwabo
Yajika indzaba.
then the issue changed
And no one
was
able
lowakhona
to cast even one stone on her.
ajike nje ajikjele nje linye litshe kuye
What does that tell you?
kukutshelani ke lokho
That they had made themselves self-righteous.
bebatende balunga ngekwemigomo yabo
Beloved, there's now therefore
ngakho ke manje sekude
no condemnation
sekude kulahlwa
to those
kulabo
who are in Christ.
kulabo labaKristu
The question is, where are you now?
utho ke uthi wena ukuphi
Are you in Christ?
ngabe ukuKristu na
Because that's where you are safe
ngoba ngilapho la uphephe khona
from all the rejection that happens all around us.
kuko konke lokulahlwa lokwentekako emaceleni
All
kwenu
the condemnation and the labeling.
nako konke lokunikethwe amagama
You are safe in Christ.
wena uphephile na ukuKristu